of the Sontra, where sea meets sky in a whisper grace, and jungle dreams in emerald lace. Sontra rises proud and free, the soul of Danang by the sea. They call her mountain Monkey Mountain still, where call her langurs live from hill to hill. Red, shankered and rare their eyes glow. In forest time forgot to know. A peninsula kisses by dawn, first light, with the giants of beach in morning white, and ships in a glide through Danang's bay. As mountain watch in breathing day, the mother wake up always, Mother Buddha, with a holy water in her hand. On Hong Saw, where breezes hum, Ling Ung pagoda calls the sun. A lady watches, tall and wise, her Buddha eyes across the seas, 16.7 meters high, and she guards the waves, the ship and the sky, and the people, like Avalokiteshwar. Climb higher still, the laughing Buddha and the statues, the man created statues, and the another world of wise arahants stand by with the lotus on her legs. Even the other gods are still standing there and smiling. The world below, the canvas wide, with 100 hands and hands up, smiling Buddha and Mother Buddha. Ling Ung, where the silence sings, and the wise women and men tells the wiser stories, where with their hands beyond the gate of triple doors, besides the mountains, people lives. Bright troops rise through fragrant trees. In a shell, somebody is hide with knowledge. Within the cave of living silence, a meditation in marble mountains. Beneath the towering limestone heart of thy zones, where the time slows and breath deepens. A natural cave opens its mouth and welcomes the people, not in hunger but in eternal stillness. Its wall sculpture not by hands but by aeons are cold to touch, firm like Dharma itself, bearing the texture of wind, rain, and patience silent. The stone inside is not polished nor proud, it is rough, coarse, and true, the real one. Yet from above, where the cracks in the rock let us in the golden eye of the sun, light spills. Like a blessing across the stone floor, it touches moss covered ledge. It warms a small pool of holy water that gathers drop by drop from the cave's crown, like nature's slow and relevant offering. Outside the forest lean a gently tree with bowed branches. Like a monk in prayer, creepers reach into the stone like fingers seeking refuge, and the wild flowers bloom at the mouth red, white, yellow like these jewels, Buddha, Dharma, Sangha. Some creepers clown in the cave, trailing delicate green thread across the rock and shine. They do not disrupt. They do not disrupt. They adorn like malas around a sun's neck. The banyan outside stands like a sentinel, its root like flowering robes. It lives whispering in the wind that all along the pass the rays shine the light as true and day is like coming hope. Frangipani and champa blossoms scatter on the stony floor, offers not by human hands but by nature itself. And even the trees know this is a sacred place. Bird song flitter through from the canopy above, not loud but boastful, just enough to remind the pilgrim life continues softly. Even in this quiet womb of stone, here in the cave, it is a blend of darkness and green light which flows knowledge like river joy. Here, the wild coconut palms grow as natural, giving the sideline of sway gently to the river. Their curves trunk like dancers frozen in grace. The wind shakes their green crowns, and from them fall into the soft, sweet fruits, tender coconuts, cracked open by kind hands. Inside, cool nectar, like the taste of kindness itself, shared freely by the smiling locals whose laughter flows as easily as mountain stream. These lovely people and their hands, colossal by work, but heart as soft as the monsoon rain. They offer not just fruit or guidance, but a seat in their shade and a seat in their boat to the joy of life. They offer not just a fruit or guidance, but a seat in their shade, a story, a prayer, a smile that asks nothing, like this amaranth water. Children run barefoot among the stones, and their giggles echoes like these waves.
Wow!
And the heart and the light and the lift and these waves, these waters, like a children's smile, the innocence as their caps protect, their hands protect us, and the round boat as the dancing of the flower in nature.
Đừng có cướp chứ.